morning, all of you. I welcome you in the in-house training program today. So, first of all, about the topic. So, today we are going to do how to improve reading comprehension. Now, the purpose of reading is to connect the ideas on the page to what you already know. Means we can just understand in this way also, means when we start reading unknown thing, at that time what's happened, there are few things we are not able to understand. But if we have some knowledge about that, then what's happened when we read, then we understand much more. And because of this reason also, we tell our students that read once and then you come. Now, if you don't know anything about the subject, as I have said you, that if you don't know anything about the subject, then pouring words of text into your mind is just like pouring water into your hands, just a waste. So you don't retain much. So to get more, the thing is that you should, for example, we can just take the example when we go for a tour. You just compare. Sometimes when we go suddenly to some places and when the tourist or the guide, when he helps us to tell about those things, at that time we are just listening. But when we Google and go before going that place, and when that person says about something, at that time what happened? We also ask you more questions, isn't it? And we get much more knowledge on that thing. I welcome our principal sir in the in-house training. Welcome sir. So today's topic is how to improve reading comprehension, and we have just gone through that the purpose of reading is to connect the ideas on the page to what you already know. And for this, if we have just discussed here that if you don't know anything about the subject, then it is just a wastage. It is just pouring words of the text into your mind is just like pouring water into your hands. So if you want to know something much more about the subject, then you have to know it before. Now, for example, try reading and remembering these numbers. Anybody can just read this number?
7516324.
Okay. So she has read 7516324. And if I said, ma'am, yes, please remember, then I think it will get difficult, isn't it? But now try this.
7516324.
So which one is much more easier if it is said to remember? Second one. So this is easier because of chunking, means breaking something into smaller bits. So the same thing we have to follow with the students also. Now try this one. This is much more easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is easier to read because of the prior knowledge of the structure. Means we have learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it was much more easier. Means किसी को बोलना ही नहीं पड़ा कि आप याद करो. एक बार में बता देंगे तो वो बोल देंगे 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. Similarly, if you like sports, then reading the sports page is easy. We have a framework in our mind for reading, understanding and storing information. As I have said to you before also, that when we have interest in something, when we just go for visiting somewhere, and if we just Google and we find out about that place, means अगर हम लोग को उसकी जानकारी पहले से उस जगह के बारे में है, तो गाइड जब हम लोग को हेल्प करता है, उस चीज़ के बारे में जब बताता है, तो हम लोग ज़्यादा सीख पाते हैं उस चीज़ के बारे में. So the same way, if the child is having knowledge in sports, आप बच्चों को भी देखिएगा कि at that time what happens कि जो बच्चों को स्पोर्ट्स में ज़्यादा नॉलेज है वो ज़्यादा हाथ ऊपर कर रहे हैं, ज़्यादा बता पा रहे हैं। Now, what can you do to improve your reading comprehension? This is the main thing for we teachers. Reading comprehension requires motivation, mental framework for holding ideas, concentration, and good study techniques. So here are some suggestions. Develop a broad background. Broaden your background knowledge by reading newspaper, magazine, and books. Becoming interested in world events. See, this also we have whenever we are having summer vacation. We English teachers do news reading, write on that. But it is not easier just to tell that do news reading. They have to just focus that what are the points. For example, just have to just say we have to inculcate how to make them read. Just by saying, for example, I will just make you just understand. For example, is Amita ma'am will help you? I think this is our group work, but just
the speaker in the story is a writer who has painted an old house on the outskirts.
The audience. How do you tell the students?
The speaker in the story is a writer who has painted an old house on the outskirts of a small town in Kerala. The house has no electricity and is not well looked after, but the speaker finds it a perfect place to write his next novel. After he moves in, the locals warn his that the house is haunted by a ghost named Bhargavi. The speaker does not take the warning very seriously. 2.5 months pass and he begins to forget about Bhargavi. Then one day something happens.
So, this is the way we make reading in the class. How do we teach? Whether it is English, science, SST, anything. How do we do? The same way, if you people are doing some other way, most invited. If any of you are making this reading more interesting, then how you people do? In this reading, what is happening? Few are just seeing the line, few are looking outside, you are just sleeping. But what is the thing you can do? Because whatever we have to do, what I think now, we can develop in this class 1 to 5. And we will develop in such a way that we have to do nothing, not much in senior classes. Because once they will inculcate the habit of reading or interest, automatically they will do good in high classes. Anybody else? Yes, Ruchi ma'am, she wants to say something. The training is for this purpose only. Means Ruchi ma'am is saying that she will just make it as a story. है ना? Yes, this is also very nice. So,
बच्चों को क्लास में कोई भी जैसे लिटरेचर में क्लास लिटरेचर में इंग्लिश या हिंदी में जब हम लोग बच्चों को स्टोरी सुनाते हैं तो सिंपल रीडिंग नहीं, उसको हम लोग और इंटरेस्टिंग बना सकते हैं स्टोरी के फॉर्म में सुनाकर और अपनी वॉइस को हम लोग फ्लक्चुएट कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि मान लीजिए फॉरेस्ट के बारे में बोला तो हम कह सकते हैं एक जंगल था, उसमें बहुत सारे एनिमल्स थे और पूरा अंधेरा छाया हुआ था वहाँ पे। तो सारे बच्चे थोड़े से डर जाएंगे, वो इमेजिन करने लगेंगे कि अच्छा हम फॉरेस्ट में हैं। इसके लिए कभी कभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग मॉडल्स वगैरह भी यूज़ करते हैं पढ़ाने के लिए, जैसा कि हम लोगों ने किया था। लेकिन मान लीजिए हमारे पास कोई भी सामान नहीं तो हमारे पास हमारी वॉइस का जरूरत है। अगर हम अपनी वॉइस को फ्लक्चुएट करके या इमेजिन करके बोलते हैं, तो हमारे पास अगर कोई भी मॉडल भी नहीं है तो बच्चे उसके मतलब इमेजिन करने लग जाते हैं और वो जो चीज़ हम बता रहे हैं बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बन जाती है। जैसे अभी पहले मैंने एक टेबल की स्टोरी क्लास में सुनाई, तो उसने कहा टेबल के राजा ने दरबार में बुलाया और उससे पूछा बताओ शहर में कितने कौवे हैं। तो बीरबल ने बताया 4000 कौवे हैं। राजा ने पूछा कैसे, तुम्हें कैसे पता चला, हो सकता है ज़्यादा हो या कम हो। बीरबल ने कहा कि अगर वो ज़्यादा होते हैं तो इसका मतलब है कि बाहर से कौवे अभी आए हैं, और अगर कम होते हैं तो इसका मतलब है कुछ कौवे अभी बाहर गए। और स्टोरी में कहा कि एक कौवा आया, दूसरा आया, तीसरा आया, इस तरह से बच्चों को स्टोरी सुनाई। तो बच्चे कम, मुझे हंसी ज़्यादा आ रही थी स्टोरी को पढ़ के, और फिर बच्चों ने देखा टीचर इतना इंटरेस्ट में हमारा होना चाहिए। दूसरा एक था एक्ट करके, जैसे मैंने जब बीएड किया था उस समय था कि जैसे एक्ट वाला भी एक होता है ड्रामा वाला, तो उसमें अचानक से टीचर ने कहा कि कुछ ड्रामा करके बताओ सब। तो वहाँ पे एक टीचर थे, तो मैंने उनकी एक्टिंग की थी, वो मैं आपको करके बताती हूँ। जैसे कि वो टीचर जो थे हमेशा मुँह में पान लिए रहते थे। उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा मुँह में पान रखते,
और मैडम क्या हाल चाल है, कोनो प्रॉब्लम?
मैंने कहा नहीं सर। उसके बाद यही मिमिक्री जो है मैंने अपने ड्रामा के एक्ट में करी। तो इसके लिए ज़रूरी नहीं है कि बहुत बार हमारी कोई तैयारी हो, हम लोग बहुत कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशन से सीख कर भी उसको बच्चों के आगे दिखा सकते हैं।
Thank you, Ruchi ma'am. So she just said कि by storytelling, है ना? One more thing which we can do, as in the training we have said that they have to take help from each and every teacher, isn't it? So the library teacher or the art teachers. See, in few stories what is happening now, for example there is a crow or there is an owl or something like that. So sometimes we can use puppet also, because we see now that students are very much interested when they will see now यहाँ कुछ बना हुआ है, कुछ गुड़िया है, कुछ है, तो the student those who are just not feeling to study, they also will just think what is going to happen, isn't it? For example, if we just see that there was an owl and we just see, we'll take help of the art teacher to किसी तरह से Dipti ma'am can help, she can just make Shikha ma'am, she can also help. So means before only we can just few classes, not for every, because teachers might be thinking कि हाँ ये course कैसे complete होगा. But if somebody asks to me, if there are 15 lessons, for me just complete in syllabus we will mention just 7 to 8, and we will give stress much more in this one chapter, in reading, in just telling the asking the question answers, everything. Not that there are 20 chapters we have to just complete that. The students learn nothing, and we have to make them read. Reading is a must. Reading and then to understand the lines, the words, the sentence. Is that clear? So it's up to us for class up to 5 or up to 8 that we can do. We can sit together. We can decide which chapter we have to take, and this we have to make in our mind that whatever we are doing, we have to just complete each and everything of that chapter, and especially the reading. Now, few things which I am just telling in the senior classes, what I am saying, that just you have to just, even the 9th class students, I just tell them put your finger, and I will suddenly, ऐसा नहीं है कि you, because at that time now the students are knowing कि इसके बाद तो मेरा turn आएगा, तो they are just at that time कहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं. You read 2 lines and suddenly you just move and you just make them, and in a very proper way, a small punishment, ठीक है, kneel down नहीं है, बस थोड़ा सा, है ना, not for a long time, so that they can be just know that no, we have to take care of various reading. So this I am following, and I see that Even the worst students, he is also just listening very properly. Now the second thing, not only for the English teachers, everyone. We used to say now, why, when we ask some question and there is only yes or no, है ना? So one question I will ask from anyone. Nobody will say yes or no. Means we have to say the students also that if you will say yes or no, then what will happen? Punishment will be there. Now why? Sometimes we ask the students and they say yes ma'am. हम लोग बैठा देते हैं, है ना? No, you have to complete that sentence. At that time, what will happen now? They will just know how to speak. Few students they speak nothing. In each class, what is happening? Only 10 to 15 students they know how to read. Rest all they just say yes or no and they sit. So be ready, teachers. Okay. So if suddenly any questions will be asked, there should be no yes or no. Just remember. And if there will be yes or no, any punishment, which should turn into reward. We have to give punishment in such a way that it will be turned into reward. Is that clear? So be ready. So this we have done now. Now this was storytelling was just for I think 2, 3, 4 students, isn't it now? Now the teachers, those who are in 1 or those who are in pre-nursery, ठीक है? So at that time also, जैसे आप लोग जब ABCD पढ़ाते हो या क ख ग पढ़ाते हो, कैसे करके पढ़ाते हो? Anyone? Yes, ma'am. Yes.
जो भी पढ़ाते हैं उससे पहले हम वहाँ बोर्ड पर उन लोगों को फिगर बना कर बच्चों को बताते हैं और बच्चे उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं उसके बाद उसको
Ma'am is also doing very nice. But the thing is that if we get in training, तो हम लोग को अपने से भी तो कुछ करना चाहिए कि और जो फन वे में और एक्टिव वे में कैसे करें. ऐसे में मैम लिख दी और बोल रही कि कहाँ लिखा हुआ है तो बच्चा जाके ये करना है ना. ठीक है. और okay, just see, we are doing training now. I could have made this. ये सब जो है ना पहले से बना के रख सकते थे, लेकिन इसलिए नहीं बनाए so that in the one period only, how we can manage the students also and very quickly we can make those things also and we can just start our activity. Okay. For example, whatever was said in board, I will tell one activity for board also and one here also. Okay. Anyone can come? Yes, ma'am. Now just see what has happened. If we do this type of activity, what will happen? Yes, the student will be here. And if we just tell, just very see, ma'am will just go there, है ना? But how the child will do? He will just jump, isn't it? And what will happen in the class then? Everybody will enjoy. He will be just waiting for his turn, isn't it? So, ma'am, see, we. So just see how much they will So we are enjoying. So if we are enjoying, just think about the students. How they will enjoy. This, okay. Now S. No S, then where you have to go? Spacious. Is that clear? So you people enjoyed?
Yes.
R. Y. Jump. Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Now, the same way, we can just use the board also. We can just make team also, because the students like team A, team B, team C, because they want to win, isn't it? At that time, what will happen? अगर कोई गलत करके गया है, तो उसको जाके बोलेगा, उनको पता नहीं था, पढ़ लिया, है ना? बहुत गुस्सा उनको आता है, तुम्हारे कारण हार गए, ठीक है? तो what will happen now? We have to, जो बच्चे सो रहे हैं, जो एक्टिव नहीं है, जो सुनना नहीं चाहते हैं, this training is this only. Training is nothing कि बस हम लोग को बस सुनना है, सर्टिफिकेट लेना है. We have to apply in our students. And if we just inculcate these things in these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 class, nothing much has to be done in the senior classes. Because we see in class 6 and 7, few students don't even know how to read. They can't recognize the words. Is that clear? Now, the same is that only. Yes, Amina. Cat. You have just one touch. Yes. Cat. Which is correct. So this thing we can just जैसे से क्लास बढ़ता है ना, हम लोग खुद अपने इमेजिनेशन से कि किस तरह से हम लोग कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? We have to do. Then sun. No sun. Question. So at that time what we can say? We can just say कि how you can write sun. Isn't it? So what will happen at that time? Sun spelling also she can just write down. Now just see what she is going to write. Yeah. Okay, thank you. So these are the few activities which we can just do in our classes. Okay, thank you.